Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're diving deep into the word jocund, an uplifting term with powerful meaning. Definition and meaning of jocund. The word jocund embodies a sense of cheerfulness and liveliness. When we describe someone or something as jocund, we're talking about a joyful, lighthearted, and vibrant spirit. Think of it as a mood that brings positivity and delight to any setting. Examples of jocund in sentences. For a better understanding, here are a few sentences. Her jocund laughter filled the room, lifting everyone's spirits. Or, the jocund festival atmosphere was contagious, making everyone feel happy. Synonyms for jocund. Other words that convey a similar tone to jocund include merry, cheerful, gleeful, and jovial. Each of these synonyms evokes positivity, though jocund brings a unique, timeless charm. Using jocund effectively to express enthusiasm with elegance, jocund is a perfect choice. Imagine describing a jocund spring day, where everything feels alive and vibrant. It's an ideal word for capturing those uplifting moments that make life a little brighter. Stay tuned with Thesaurus Thrive for more rich vocabulary and definitions to elevate your language.